Hi, I am Ashiqur Rahaman. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to create a logo using Canva. So for this, let's visit canva.com. Now we are in canva.com. If you have any account, you can simply log in. So if you don't have any account, you can sign up. So let's click sign up. Now there is many option. We will use easy option, continue with Google. You can choose any other option if you prefer. This is very simple, just click continue with Google. Now your Google account will arrive. uh, for this we need to click here. It's loading. We have created our Canva account. So we want to create a logo. For this, create a design. Click here. Now here you can see the logo option. If you don't find here, you can simply search here logo. Here it is. Now click logo. A new tab will open. There is lots of template. There is also pro option and free option. If you choose any pro option, then you should upgrade to pro. For this video we want to show you is free option. Let's select any option. Okay, okay, let's click here. this uh, this looks pretty good, but we can check more. Why not checking here? Now it's look pretty fine and simple, so we have to think some thing about a logo. It need to show your business identity, and also it need to provide basic information about your company, like what is your company doing and what services can they serve for your customer. Let's click here. For example, our company is Facebook ads service, so it is a Facebook ads agency. Just say that's why let's write FB ads service. So any people who read this line, they can easily understand that this is a ads service. Now we need to click this and edit this icon. So it's a ad service, so why not choose a marketing icon? For this you can click elements. Now we can write marketing. There is lots of different type of element which represent marketing elements. So for this let's choose this. Here we done. But if you want, you can choose many options here. So if you want pro options, you need to upgrade, but you can also find free options here. So that's it. Let's edit some color. It's look pretty good, and the other color, I think that's good. Let's increase the size. Okay, we need to, yeah. So I think it's enough good. So if you done your editing, you can drag and drop and play around your choice. So now we want to download this logo. For this, click share and click download. So the transparent background feature is available only for pro options. So we want to download the image as usual. So click download. Save. Now we have created a logo for our business. It's not the best, but it is good enough to uh, do your work. Thank you very much for this watching our video. We will see you in the next tutorial video or next videos. Thank you.